Alright, welcome back to the channel. Rolling with Topher, I do believe. Just wanted to give y'all a little update on the garden. Look at all those flowers. Those are all tomatoes getting ready to come up. I had to open it up to let the bees get to it so they can start doing some fruiting. That's the collard greens. I already took a mess off. I'm gonna have to take those nice big leaves off. This is the lettuce. And that right there is a sweet potato. Sweet potato. And this right here is a russet potato. Just like you get at the store. Just like an Idaho potato. But it's going to be grown in Michigan. So, this is going good. There's nothing but dirt over there, but that's beans and corn. And then I got peppers and some more beans growing in the greenhouse. But they're not really, I don't know if you can see that green. So they're just now coming up. So the garden looking okay. There's a few green spots in here. That there, right there. A few little leaves coming up right there. Can you see that? Yep. So there's some stuff growing. Greenhouse is moist. Look at that, look like the Matrix. Greenhouse is very moist. Very moist inside the greenhouse. Yep. So just wanted to give you an update on the garden. We might get something out of here. These gonna get some more greens. I got some greens over there too. Just trying to do a little something. If y'all have any comments, leave them. Subscribe so you can see what's next. And hit the bell. That's how you know when new stuff is coming. All right. In a minute. Peace.